Chef Will Gotay here. On the menu with Chef Me. We're grilling meats. We're grilling some bone-in country pork country ribs, and some skinless, boneless chicken breasts. Versus just two. The grill is getting at the temperature I wanted. I want it to be at like 425 at least. Always clean the grill before you use it. Ready to cook. Check out the chicken. Here's the pork. So now I'm just gonna let it grill mark for a couple minutes, okay? Turn it a quarter angle, grill it, and then move it to the side and let the grill kind of turn into an oven and finish roasting the meat, but off the flame, right? All right, so now I'm going to flip them over. Look at that color. Nice. You should smell this, you guys. Look at that. Woo! All right. See that? That's because the grease is rendering. So I got to move it out because it doesn't get like that soot on it, right? Now that that's kind of in control a little bit, I'm gonna let that burn off before I put the chicken on there. Flipping it over to grill market. All right, here we go. And these I stack because I want them to marinate each other. As the fat melts and renders out, it'll coat the ones underneath. And then I flip them. All right. Basically, when you start grilling, you're going to kind of develop your own technique, and I encourage you to do that. Don't just follow what you see somebody else doing. Kind of take it like guide, like what I show you is like a guide. You know, fuck it up your own way. You know, in the beginning, when you're grilling and you want to do some marks, you don't walk away from it because you're gonna fuck it up. Make sure the grill marks are nice. Then you're gonna turn it over, slide it off the flame, you know, and let it roast, man. It's delicious. All right. All right. These are looking pretty good. I'll rotate these. Rotate those, and these, see that? I'm going to give it a nice quarter turn. This one here, see that? Slide that one up. This one here. Perfect. Just once you get those grill marks down, you know, because a lot of people move the food too fast before those grill marks are nice, because that's the presentation. It looks kind of cool when you put that out. So learn to grill mark. It's festive. All right, so now I'm flipping these bad boys over. So you see those grill marks? See that? Kind of cool. Same thing here. All right, look at that. All right. I'm gonna leave it a minute or so here, and then I'm gonna slide it to where the flame is not that high, so it can cook slower. Here's something to think about when you're cooking something on the grill outside, okay? And you're worried about temperature and how long it's gonna take and blah, blah, blah. Okay, the thermometer, the thermometer on the grill, you should have one to give you the heat inside. When that reaches 350 or 400, it's like having an oven at 400, as long as you don't keep closing and opening the door, okay? So the door in the oven, the lid on the grill. So once you see that that's the temperature that the grill is maintaining, then you can kind of control it a little bit. And like I said, if you put the food on the opposite end of the flame, lower the flame, it creates like a convection, and it goes hot and cold, and it rotates the heat in there, and it cooks everything nice. So anyway, just, you know, leave it alone. Hey guys, we're losing light. We're losing light. Think I'm lying? Look. Alright, so check this out. Alright. This is some herder looking chicken breasts. Okay, so because they're thick and I know it's not cooked yet, I'm going to slide it to this side and I'm going to take this one off the heat. And I'm going to slide it over here. Okay. Put this all on this side. Alright. Now, see? Flame is here. No flame here. And I'm turning the heat on to the lowest setting. Okay? Because I want it to slow cook. So, there you go. Look, this is an essential tool that you need in your kitchen. Okay? This is a probe thermometer. It lights up and swings out. Now you're going to do the thickest part of the chicken. Okay? See where it goes to. So you want to get it to 165. Okay? That's nowhere near. Let's try this one. This is 135. I'm thinking 30 degrees is going to be like maybe 15, 20 minutes. Okay. So maybe even longer because, again, remember, I lowered the heat. It's at about 300 now, so that's going to take longer because I want the chicken to be real tender. So I'm going to come back in 20. I told you we were losing light. All right, folks, this is it. Oh, my God. This looks so good. All right, let's do this. Let's check the thermometer. All right. Perfect. Look at that. See? I want it at 165. It's going to carry over cook. All right, look at this. This is beautiful. Let's take temp on this. And let's check the ribs. Oh, that's perfect. All right, so let's take these out. Here we go, buddy. We're grubbing. These country ribs are delicious. Oh my God. And this chicken, really good. Try it. The seasonings are really good. Temperature is important. Make sure that your grill keeps that temperature. Get a probe thermometer and enjoy some grilled meats. On the menu with Chef Will Gotay. Grilled meat, chicken and country ribs. We'll see you again.